This is the Captain Gala. Welcome again to today's lesson. Today we are continuing the previous lesson, which was talking about the continuation chart pattern. We talked about head and shoulder, and today we are going to talk about what we call the double top as one of the continuation chart pattern. It's called double top. Now, double top, we are going to talk about double top in very many scenarios, and we're going to talk about how to identify a double top, how to trade double top, and how what it means, and the price action scenario, and that is what we are going to talk about today, and how to trade it, how to take profit for the trade of the double top. Without wasting time, let us go. Now we are going to draw it practically, as I've been telling you that Forex is about practical. Then we are going to see something like this. Yes, something like this. You will find that the market is forming something like this. The market is forming something like this, as you can see. Then this is where our double top is. As you can see, the market is forming double top. The market is sorry guys. The market is forming a double top. You can check it through. This is what I'm talking about. Let me say the market is reacting at a key zone. Double top is always formed at a key zone. We'll name this one is as a double top. Double top. Now double top is always formed at a key zone. Key zone is where the market is always reacting to. Let me say this is at a resistance zone. The market has formed a double top. What is the price action scenario of formation of a double top? It means that the price has failed to form to make higher high, but instead the price made what we call the same high. It shows that there is a loss of momentum. What does double top shows? It shows that there is a loss of momentum from uptrend from the uptrend, and now it is taking a downtrend move, taking a downtrend move. This is what the double top shows, and the double top shows that the price has failed to form a higher high and instead form the same high. This is it. You can see, because when the market is moving, what we have always known that the normal price market movement, or the normal price market movement is always forming a zigzag, which forms the higher high, as you can see. That is what the market always form. But when the market fails to form the higher high, we get what we call a double top. That is what I mean by double top. Now, how do you trade double top? First, you have to check whether that double top is formed at a key zone. The first thing you have to know that the double top is being formed at a key zone. A key zone is the place where the market reacted to. That is the resistance zone for the double top. You have to check whether the market is forming double top. That double top is formed at the resistance zone. That is very important, and you have to confirm that before you call it a double top. Now, how do you trade this? Let me remove this. Then how do you trade double top? First, wait for a neckline break for an entry. We have said that the market is forming a double top, but what do you check? Wait for the neckline break for an entry. Where is the neckline? The neckline is at this given zone. We'll name it, let us call it a neckline. This is going to be our neckline. Yes, this is going to be our neckline. Then this is going to be our double top. This zone. Let me show you guys. I had told you that Captain Gala is always simple as much as possible, and you will learn a lot from me. This is double top. Yes, this is double top. Now, for you to trade double top, you have to wait for this neckline break. Then, how do you take your profit? When measure the distance, you come here and measure the distance from the top to the neckline. Let me show you how to measure it. Yes, we come here, measure the distance from the top to the neckline. Then you can measure the same distance again after the breakout, which means your take profit guaranteed. I'm talking about the guaranteed take profit. It means that the market will move the same distance from the head to the neckline and also move the same distance after the breakout, which means we are going to name this as our take profit. This is going to be our take profit. Our take profit. Now after that break, neckline break, we are going to have our take profit, which is the distance from the top to the neckline, and the distance from the neckline to the break. From the break to the take profit must be the same for you to call it a guaranteed. We have what we call a guaranteed take profit. Now, there are 3 entry points where you can enter the market of a double top, which is very important. We have 3 entry points of a double top. Let me remove this, then I show you. The 3 entry points of the double top, we have what we call entry at the neckline break. Entry, the first one is entry at the neckline break. Neckline break. That is the entry at the neckline place. Alafu, we have the second one, which is the entry at the neckline break, entry at the neckline, entry after. Now this is entry after the neckline break, plus the pullback, plus a pullback, which means some people will enter at the neckline break and they do not wait for the pullback, because not all the pairs always pulls back. Now some people will just enter the market without necessarily waiting for what we call a pullback. Then some people will wait for a pullback, which means they will wait for the market or for the neckline break, and they will also wait for the pullback of that given market. That one is the entry at the pullback. Then some people will be waiting for the break of that structure, or they will wait for what we call candlestick formation at that region. Let me say some people will check a double top and they will wait for what we call candlestick formation patterns. Candlestick formation at that region, which means when the candlestick formation there is showing a reversal after formation of a double top, some people won't wait for the neckline break. They will always enter at the candlestick formation of that place without necessarily waiting for the neckline break. That all these ways you can trade it. Because all of them are entry points. That is guaranteed entry points. Yes, now let me show you how you can enter at a pullback. because some people will always end at a pullback. Let us check this. Yes, give me 1 minute. Let me say the market was like this. This is the market. Then we'll show you that there is something like a neckline, and this is double top. Now some people will wait for this market because there is a break. Let me say there is a break of this zone. Some people will wait for this pullback for the market to go to its direction, for them to take profit at this given zone, which means now this one is let us name them because some people love what they see. This will be the neckline. Then there is what we call pullback. This will be a pullback. Yes. Now some people will wait for the neckline break, then pull back, then enter, which is very safe. But remember, you can wait for the pullback, but the market never retests, or then the market will never pull back to the previous breakout point. Guys, double top is very easy to trade. As I told you, you can wait for the breakout of that structure. Stop loss you should put 100 pips below or above the neckline, 100 pips above the neckline. Let us confirm one example. If there is a live chart where double top is shown, I think let us go on Audi card if there was a double top. Yes, guys, you can confirm this. We were trading Audi card, as you can see the way immediately Audi card hit our TP1, Audi card went down, as you can see, went down. This was a double bottom. Immediately it formed a double top. You can see. Let me show you, because this is a double top. You can see this zone. This is a double top. Immediately it formed a double top. It started forming rejection. Rejection candle, showing rejection candle at the double top. Then immediately the market started selling very many pips, which means with us we hit our take profit one as we planned without any interference. We were waiting for TP2, and I would always told you that only TP1 is guaranteed in forex. TP2 is never guaranteed. That one was my time, guys. If you want to join my mentorship, you can comment down. They'll be there so that I can help you out to get started. Thank you.